I wasn't going to post this because it was too funny to do, but it's too useful. After years of working on cars and trucks and motorcycles and trying to scrape stuff off, I'm going to give you the best solution I've found yet for most situations. And this is why I'll take these over any of the other tools that you see. They're chopsticks. So if you saw the thumbnail and you saw the chopsticks, you might think this is a joke, but it's not. It is probably a pretty funny topic because nobody thinks they would ever have the best tool as a chopstick in their toolbox. But I can tell you that it makes a great scraper. It does not scratch anything. It will not short anything out. They're free. You can get them anywhere with your next takeout meal. If you're a mechanic in real life and you're working on stuff, you're really going to love this. Promise, if you try it, you definitely won't regret it. After all these years of working on stuff, it's probably the best scraping tool for like cleaning up little areas and getting in and poking in and around stuff that I've ever had. So if you want to try it out, go let me know what you think. If you do use them, leave a comment and see if you really did like it or not. Otherwise, basically leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this chopstick idea and if you're willing to try it, because it's a pretty amazing free tool. I think every mechanic should have a set of chopsticks in their toolbox. No joke though. That's a serious video. Seriously. They work great. Try it out.